Are you ready to set sail on the biggest cruise ship in the world? Then you won't want to miss this video. We've scoured the seas to bring you the most impressive and luxurious vessels out there, and this one takes the cake. With its state-of-the-art amenities and endless entertainment options, this ship is surely to exceed your wildest expectations. If you're ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime, come along as we take a look at the 10 largest cruise ships in the world. These vessels are more than just floating hotels. They're like floating cities, packed with all the amenities and activities you could ever want on a vacation. From swimming pools and spas to theaters and restaurants, these ships have it all. Make sure to stick around until the end of this video to see what the biggest cruise ship in the world has in store for you. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. Topping off our list at number 10, we have the Mardi Gras, operated by Carnival Cruise Lines. With a gross tonnage of 180,000 GT, this ship is truly impressive. The Mardi Gras isn't just any cruise ship, it's a tribute to the company's first ever vessel, the TSS Mardi Gras, which was launched in 1972. So, if you're looking for a cruise that honors the past while embracing the future, the Mardi Gras is the perfect choice. On board the Carnival Mardi Gras, guests will find plenty of activities to keep them entertained during their voyage. The casino has electronic games and live table gaming, with slots and poker tournaments available daily. Whether it be comedy shows on Deck 13 or karaoke at Liquid Lounge, there's something for everyone. In addition, there are movie theaters as well as basketball courts and water slides, so everyone can stay active while having a great time. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or an unforgettable family adventure, this is the perfect cruise ship for excitement, relaxation, and exploring new international cuisines. At number 9, we have the MSC Grandiosa. The MSC Grandiosa is the latest and greatest addition to MSC Cruises' fleet of passenger vessels. With a length of 331 meters, this ship is truly impressive. And with a gross tonnage of 181,541 GT, it can accommodate a whopping 6,334 passengers in its 2,421 cabins. From luxurious cabins and attentive staff members, the MSC Grandiosa has something for everyone. But the MSC Grandiosa doesn't just offer luxurious accommodations. It also boasts the largest capacity shopping area of any cruise ship. So if you're looking to indulge in some retail therapy while at sea, this is the ship for you. Whatever it is that floats your boat, literally, trust us when we say that everything needed on board exists right here on a grandiose scale. Coming in at number 8 on our list, we have the Ida Nova cruise ship. Not only is the Ida Nova the first cruise ship to be powered by liquefied natural gas, or LNG, both at sea and in port, but it's also the 8th largest ship in the world. From its stunning design to its vast array of amenities, this ship has something to offer everyone who steps on board. With superior service standards, backed up by impressive interiors, combined with plenty of recreational opportunities, Ida Nova cruise ships promise each passenger an unforgettable holiday experience unlike any other. Whether traveling alone or accompanied by friends or family, every guest will feel 100% satisfied, guaranteed upon disembarkation. But what truly sets the Ida Nova apart from the other cruise ships is its commitment to sustainability. The Ida Nova is leading the way in the use of LNG to power cruise ships. So if you're looking for a cruise that's both luxurious and environmentally friendly, the Ida Nova is definitely worth considering. Keep an eye out for this innovative vessel and all the exciting new developments in the cruise industry. Next, we'll introduce you to the Iona, the 7th largest cruise ship in the world and the largest cruise ship built for any UK-based cruise line. After its delayed delivery, the Iona was finally received in October 2020. It was designed with British passengers in mind and provides a unique experience that combines luxury and adventure. From the moment you step on board the Iona, you will be captivated by its stupendous size and luxurious feel. Measuring 345 meters in length and featuring 17 passenger decks, the Iona is a truly impressive vessel. And as an added bonus, the Iona is powered by liquefied natural gas, making it a more sustainable and environmentally friendly choice for travelers. In short, those hoping to embark upon an unforgettable cruise should definitely consider exploring what lies ahead aboard the P&O Iona, where luxury meets adventure, creating memories that will last forever. At number 6 on our list, we have the Costa Smeralda. Inspired by the iconic piece of paradise located along the northern coast of Sardinia in Italy, Measuring 337 meters in length and 42 meters in width, the Costa Smeralda is a truly magnificent vessel, offering multiple features such as numerous dining options, extensive entertainment programming, and superb accommodations. The Costa Smeralda provides guests with an endless variety of activities to keep them entertained throughout their journey. One of the most appealing aspects of the Costa Smeralda is its plethora of dining opportunities. The main restaurant serves up international cuisine in a stylish atmosphere, while there are also several specialty restaurants where guests can enjoy gourmet Italian dishes or a romantic dinner overlooking stunning Mediterranean sunset views. The spectacular Costa Smeralda cruise ship delivers a truly exceptional experience out at sea. In the middle of our top 10 at number 5, we have the Oasis of the Seas. The Oasis of the Seas is one of the most iconic ships in Royal Caribbean's fleet. Measuring a massive 361.6 meters in overall length, the luxurious vessel has been wowing passengers since it first set sail in 2009. With its state-of-the-art facilities and amenities, it's no wonder that travelers from all over the world flock to experience what onboard life on the Oasis of the Seas has to offer. From top-notch amenities like zip-line stretching high above the sky lounge decks, providing aerial views rivaling those any airplane window seat traveler could dream, to grandiose accommodation choices, the Oasis of the Seas is a favorite among travelers all over the world. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good adrenaline rush on vacation? Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Allure of the Seas is all about fun and adventure. The Allure of the Seas is just a bit larger than her sister ship, the Oasis, as the Allure of the Seas measures 362 meters in length. This massive vessel, owned by Royal Caribbean International, offers unparalleled levels of comfort and sophistication in addition to onboard adventures that are sure to get your heart racing. This incredible ship provides truly unforgettable experiences for anyone to soak up life at the sea. Up next at number 3, we have another ship from the Oasis class of ships from Royal Caribbean, the Harmony of the Seas. This giant of the sea has a gross tonnage of 226,963 GT, measures 362.12 meters in length, and can accommodate up to 5,479 guests at double occupancy. Passengers have plenty of room to relax and enjoy their voyage, as they are pampered in style throughout their stay aboard this behemoth boat. There are 7 distinct neighborhoods on board where guests can find something different in each one, from shopping opportunities in Central Park, thrilling rides at Boardwalk, relaxing at the Vitality Spa, or lively nightlife experiences at Entertainment Place. Each neighborhood has something unique for everyone on board. The size of the ship is so impressive that it is easy to forget that you are on a ship while you explore the many features, making it a favorite for even the most seasoned of cruisers. As the second largest ship in the world, the Symphony of the Seas offers a wide range of activities and experiences for travelers of all ages. Owned by Royal Caribbean International, this impressive vessel measures 228,081 gross registered tons and spans 361.011 meters in length. At every turn, there's something new waiting aboard Symphonies of the Seas, a truly massive floating wonderland full of incredible sights, sounds, smells, flavors, excitement, and relaxation. The Symphony of the Seas offers a wide range of experiences, from participating in laser tag to relaxing by the pool after enjoying the water slides and surf simulators. In addition, the Symphony of the Seas offers advanced onboard technology such as VOOM, the fastest internet at sea, and video walls and touchscreens, wayfinding signage, providing a consistently connected experience during your stay. This ship is perfect for techies who don't want to leave their phones at home. Finally, rounding out our top 10 at number 1, we have the Wonder of the Seas, the world's largest cruise ship. The massive vessel, owned by Royal Caribbean International, was delivered in January 2022 and is 362 meters long and 64 meters wide, with a gross tonnage of 236,857 and 18 decks. It's no wonder it's making waves in the world of cruising. The Wonder of the Seas is the 5th vessel in Royal Caribbean's Oasis class of cruise ships. This floating city is divided into themed neighborhoods with a variety of amenities and activities. This impressive ship truly provides a home away from home for all travelers, whether they are a seasoned cruiser or a first-timer looking to set sail on the adventure of a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 biggest cruise ships in the world. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these impressive vessels and all they have to offer. From luxurious amenities and commitments to sustainability, these ships truly have it all. We hope you've been inspired to book your next vacation aboard one of these incredible vessels. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more exciting content. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We love hearing from our viewers and would love to know which of these cruise ships was your favorite. Until next time, happy cruising.